Hi guys, just a quick update. This is now week 11 of our Willows Avenues renovation project. Slight accident in the gym, so I can't talk much, unfortunately, as you can see from the lip. Anyway, let me walk you through it. The first fix is now done. All the electrics and plumbings are in. We can start seeing more now. So front rooms are starting to take shape, as you can see. This will be room 2, which is going to be, I think, the smallest room. More starting to go up around there. That's going to be the ensuite. Again, it's going to be the smallest ensuite. It's a bit touch and go, but it should be okay on that one. Actually, I was just speaking to David Hepburn. He's a local architect, really nice guy. Just popped out to see the project. Oh, hi David. Popped out to see the project and just give some advice with regards to planning and things like that for our other upcoming projects. Really helpful and really nice guy. So if if you're looking for an architecture, I'll include his contact details below. So this is going to be the ensuite. This is going to be quite a decent sized room around here. This used to be the kitchen again. So I've given the instructions to the contractor to leave this wall as it is, leave it bare and just paint over it white. As you can see, this roof. So now we're in the kitchen. This is the extension bit. The skylines are in and the walls are coming down as well. I think the rest of the plasterboards should be up next week, and the rest of the plasterboards should be up next week, and then we can start plastering. I believe there's about 5 weeks left on the development. Upstairs should be done, I think, in about 3 weeks. With that, then we can start doing the painting as well. The painting will probably take about 2 weeks, I've been told. So if we start the painting at the top, then that should help move things along as well. I mean, there's really not much to do up there, apart from the walls and painting them, and obviously putting in. Oh, this is actually quite a decent size. So this will be the ensuite up here. Extractor fan. Okay. This all looks nice. Always nice to see. Again, second ensuite, slightly smaller, but perfectly functional. This is the big room. And again, I think this would probably be the feature bedroom. But yeah, it's all coming along nicely. Had some concerns. Had some issues with the neighbours, but I think it's the usual NIMBY stuff. It was either that this really nice or will be a really nice property, or a property that's going to fall apart and possibly take their home with them. So, but yeah, we'll sort it out. I think it should be okay. Anyway, so yeah, this is week 11. I'll probably talk more than I probably should. And now I'm going to pop over to do the a video for 46 Vineyard Road as well. Both properties should finish at the same time, which is quite interesting. Unfortunately, we're just reaching the end of September, and in the lettings industry, a lot of people, especially rooms, a lot of people generally move or want to find accommodation and be moved in by the start of mid of September. So I'm really hoping to have this all done by the end of September, which you know, fingers crossed, then we can catch the tail end of tenants wishing to move to Birmingham or starting a job in Birmingham, and hopefully we haven't missed that, because after that it kind of dies down for a bit. You know, there'll still be a steady slow. You just won't get the same type of tenant, or you won't get them as quick. Which also means if you've got rooms in Birmingham right now, they're empty. They shouldn't be empty. If you need help letting them out, then do let me know. I've actually run out of rooms. I think I've got like 3 left on my list from 30. And normally you have about 30. Well, I normally have about 30 throughout the year. I'm down to 3. So it's been super hectic, which that's good. It means that there's a lot of demand for rooms as well. So that's always good news. Anyway, if you've got voids, let me know, because I really want to try and get them filled before the middle of September. I think that's when I anticipate demand will drop off. So if you need help with renting out the rooms now, get in touch as soon as possible, and I'll do my best. All right, see you guys next week. Bye.